don't think he want to leave. I think he want to go. See you later, Leonardo, right?
Yeah. Bye, Leonardo.
Peace out, Leonardo. Now you Gucci.
He
Now
might
you
blend
straight.
it.
Now you shizzle. Get on out of here, kid.
What? No.
Son. Go, kid. Kid.
He's going.
Hurry up. He's out. Homesky.
Yay.
Chilling. Chilling.
Leonardo.
That's all he wanted was a pool, you feel me?
He might come
Oh, he
back.
coming back this way. Let's do it.
Imagine he come back.
Imagine he loves us. He's coming back.
Coming back.
He doesn't want to leave us. He loves us. He loves us because we saved him.
No, he like stuff and shit like this. I was gonna throw that nigga in there.